Okay, what we're going to do here is we're going to engage two different targets on, this is a Glock 24C. I think I've already put one on YouTube right now of this particular gun. But I'm going to shoot 15 rounds and I'm going to engage two different targets. So from a snapped holster and then just see what I come up with. Okay, here we go. That's unsnapped, but and I'm jerk small. Oh, clear out. And that's a Glock 24C. I think I've already put one on YouTube on this one, but again, I'm engaging two different targets. So, good gun. Excellent gun. Still like my SIGs better, but it's a good gun.